Nigga, psych.
Oh yes, cuz you the man.
Nah, we ain't on that little boy shit, man. We had to, we had to boss up. Knew I was a man when I realized that I wasn't on shit. All that work I put in these streets and I don't know shit. I don't wanna slide with no nigga, you hit my phone, click. I don't wanna hear about your problems, I got my own shit. Soon as I find a lane, I put you on, cause me, I'm so legit. Soon as you got some change, you hit the game, ain't think I noticed it. I don't even speak about what I did, shit, I just closed my lips. But I done gave out covers without me, you would be cold.
In today's video, man, right now we are working on the CLS 500. It has a really nasty oil leak. The oil leak is coming from right here. It's leaking from the top, and it's also leaking from the bottom, which is causing the belt and all this oil sludge and etc. and so forth to be junky. We're gonna get that cleaned up and fixed. I'm gonna go to the AutoZone and get a new belt. I already have the gaskets I need for this. I'm gonna get some brake cleaner and spray all down there and try to get as much sludge as I possibly can up off of there. But yeah, let's get started. All right, guys, we removed the oil cooler. Got that out. I'm gonna clean this up, get that out real nice and shiny. What we're after is these two gaskets right here that cost $50 million just for rubber gaskets, which is fucking ridiculous. Before I do put everything back together, I have to get at least some of this shit up, because that's ridiculous.
2 hours later.
I just put both of the gaskets on. Make sure they're sitting in there properly. They're both seated properly. And cleaned this area up the best I could. I don't know how I looked before or after, but I literally did the best I could. Next is gonna be getting this belt off and putting on a new belt that we had got. But yeah, I'm gonna get back to you boys when it's finished. Alright guys, now we're back. We got the new belt on. We also replaced the tensioner pulley, the pulley that's on the tensioner itself. We got the gaskets on, man. We got the engine cover back on, and it's time to take this thing for a test drive, and let's wake this thing up, bruh. It's time to make some noise out of this beast. Oh my God. Hold on. Started up real good. Let's cut the radio on, man. This is probably like my second time ever driving this motherfucker. Since buying it. Hands dirty. Most definitely gonna get the car detail cleaned. But yeah, right now I feel smooth, no issues, and I'm gonna check it in a second here for oil leaks. All right, but I'm gonna see you guys when we get to the shop, man. All right, guys, we made it to the muffler shop. I'm finna see how much they'll charge me to go ahead and make this bitch completely just obnoxious, pops, bangs, the whole nine. You feel me? So yeah, hopefully it's not an arm and a leg and 3 more arms and 3 more legs, but that's just how everything is with the Mercedes. Yeah. Sexy.
When he's in there, no recording.
Yeah, I'm not gonna do that. Yeah, I.
Oh, okay.
Okay, man. So we're gonna get these gone. We're gonna get that gone. We're gonna get that gone. We're gonna get them gone too. All right, guys, got the catch going, man. They even got it over the strap bar. We're gonna talk about getting these going, but we just gonna hear how it sounds with just that. All right. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and cut the mufflers at the very end where the tips are. We're just gonna go ahead and dump it instead of replacing it all with tips and stuff like that. We're just gonna go ahead and dump them, and then, you know, I'm gonna give you guys a nice little sound clip. Hopefully it wakes it up, bro, because I was not satisfied the first time, though. I thought this bitch was gonna scream, man, but, you know, I'm gonna get back to y'all boys when we finish, you feel me?
Yeah, it sounds good. Hey, how are you?
So we're back in the big body Benz, man. Let me crack the windows, bro. We finna open this bitch up. Yo! That was beautiful. That was beautiful. Oh, I need to chill the fuck out. I need to chill out. Car got this spinning and this bitch going sideways. Can't make this up, y'all. I need to go get some gas, bro. Where the gas station at, bro? I'll be getting in trouble, bro. I'll be getting in trouble, bro. I'm gonna get in trouble. Well, guys, we're gonna call it a night. I got pulled over. Found out I had warrants. And, yeah. Not looking good. So we're gonna call it a night. If you haven't already, man, please give this video a thumbs up, man. Like, comment, and subscribe, bruh. And yeah, we out. Peace.